Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I've been doing my hair lately. That's why I have this bonnet on. I've been doing like a middle part with like a low poof. Hey guys, so I'm first going to take this Cantu leave-in conditioner and spread it throughout my hair and use it to stretch my hair and moisturize my hair. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my comb and do a middle part. Super simple. My parts are never perfect, but it is what it is. So here I'm going to go ahead and section my hair in 3 parts, 2 in the front and then 1 back section. This just helps me get it really flat because I do have 4C hair, so it's kind of hard to lay it down all at once. So this just helps, and I did just wash my hair, so it's a bit extra unruly. So yeah, that really helps with that. So after I have it all sectioned off, I'm going to first put the leave-in conditioner in and then brush that through and also wet it and go ahead and just brush it out, get it detangled. After I detangle it with the first brush that you saw, I'm gonna take some gel and spread it onto the section, and then take that harder brush and brush it down, and then go ahead and put a ponytail around it. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other 2 sections, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch. So I'm now going to go ahead and combine the 3 sections. It's not going to look perfect, well, at least for me when I do this, it doesn't look perfect right when I do this, but don't worry because we're going to go back and we're going to fix it. So yeah. So here I'm just adding another layer of gel over the top and smoothing it down with my brush, and then we're going to move on to edges. So now I'm just showing you what it looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and throw this bandana on and leave that on until I'm pretty much ready to go. And then I took some coconut oil and put it like on the ends of my hair just to keep them moisturized. Okay guys, so it's time for the big reveal. But yeah, it looks pretty good, so we're good. But yeah, I just like, you see how this little piece is just kind of like out there? just gonna take a bobby pin, go ahead and bobby pin that piece down. And yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna fluff out the poof just a little bit more. This really helps if, like, this part you really need a pick, but someone took my pick, so. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the finished product. So there's the sides, you know, edges swimming or whatever. And then there's the back. Oh wow, there's hair on my background. But yeah, I just figured I would come on here and show you guys this hairstyle. I've been doing this for like a week or two now, and people really like it. Everyone always is like, oh, Ashley, the low ponytail we really like, but I only do it when I feel like. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the different hairstyle I've been trying, and I have to go to work now, unfortunately, but I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Deuces.